All right, folks, now my next guest is a cybersecurity consultant who, well, he was. Now he's a full-time investor. I'm going to bring it out. Right now, Aaron Sierra with us. Aaron, you know, I love this. So this is your daily net cumulative P&L, and you're not doing too bad, my man. You got up here at around 250 grand. You're hanging in there pretty good. Walk us through the transition. Now, first of all, cybersecurity is a pretty hot area, so to be able to walk away from that and trade the market full-time is a big deal.
Yeah, absolutely. In my case, I had really leaned on financial advisors. I had done a lot to build my wealth and save my money, and I effectively was outsourcing my financial future to people that didn't have the vested interest I do. And so really it was, you caught my attention, just speaking in plain speak. You weren't talking down to me as somebody who didn't know this, and really, I jumped in with your Power of Options workshop and your education, and I hit it a year ago. So, and rounding out my rookie year.
Not bad, rookie of the year. And you know, one of the things I saw in the notes is that you say the ability to trust the process. So you learn the process and you trust it, and that is the guide, because you're gonna have ups and downs in this thing.
Yes.
Right. Let's talk about your top trades. Not bad, my man. AMD, 259% onto 197%. Coinbase, 149%. I've been trying to take one of the I didn't get a chance to do a chart for you. So how did you achieve these? Let's just say AMD. What was your thought process for that?
Sure. First off, these are options trades.
Right.
With AMD, I had a lot of brand conviction. At the time, we're talking NVIDIA, we're talking about AI and the demand for compute. And even though it's not a GPU, it just was a no-brainer to me that we're going to need, either there's going to be some adjacencies to NVIDIA and that trade. And so I'd been in and out of all, AMD and onto multiple times. I trained up an AI project actually using some of your trading rules. And AMD had been, at this particular point, going trading sideways for about 6 weeks.
Right.
I got my screener found the queue, and it worked. So that was a great trade there.
And you've got several space stocks, right? You got Black Sky, Lockheed Martin, and Redwire. Redwire, we're down 40% on this one right now, but hang in there. Hang in there. It's going to come back at some point. And again, I think, you know, to me, it's just the sky's the limit. No pun intended there. But I've been asking everyone some of their lifestyle changes. So you just bought a lake house. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
And also a big European trip coming up.
Yeah, my life sounds amazing when you look at it like that, but yeah.
Well, you keep those trades going up, yeah.
I'm working on it, yep, absolutely.
What advice would you give to others if, you know, if someone were to ask, I want to do this, I want to duplicate what you're doing?
Yeah, I would just say, for me, the biggest barrier was fear of the unknown, really, and so the education really helps you overcome that fear. I had and I still have great confidence in what I'm doing, and so invest in the education. Start with the book. The education has more than paid for itself, right, obviously, right. And then the other thing is it is it's a learning journey, right? I work your year, still learning, and more things to come.
It's so funny you said that. I tell people all the time, I'm a student of this.
Yes.
I hate to be called an expert. I'm a student.
Absolutely.
Do me a favor. Send us some pictures from Europe.
Will do.
Thanks. Thanks a lot, Aaron.